putting it all together. He was amazing. I love Prince.
Somebody hit me up the other day in the comment of my MPC sample tutorial, and they said in this specific comment of the comment section, what camera are you using for your MPC tutorial videos? Well, Voyager, whatever your name is, now you're a part of this.
Oh, you mean 1999?
I don't remember what your username was, but in this video, I'm going to reveal what camera I use and what camera I think is the best camera for creating MPC sample content. And I'll give you a hint. It's not that camera, and it is not that camera. Why is it not that camera? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to Voyager Television, and today the question on the table, let's get straight to it. It's a DJI camera, and it's one of my favorite DJI cameras that I've ever had the opportunity. I'm blessed and fortunate to have an amazing wife. Ha! Thank God, because she bought me this camera. She also bought me that camera. Well, that's not what this video is about. This is not a wife shout out. Although, shout out my wife. This is the DJI Osmo Nano that I believe my wife got for me on Christmas Day that just recently passed. This is a budget-friendly camera, much budget-friendly like the MPC sample. Mind you, if there was only one camera you could use for the MPC sample, maybe the iPhone would probably be the best camera for that scenario, especially if you just hook up your iPhone, USB-C iPhone that is, right? If you just hook up your iPhone to the MPC sample, the sound is connected. So I think the iPhone is actually the quickest way to make content with your MPC sample, but that's not what this video was about. The gentleman, I believed, hopefully he, him, 2026, hopefully I believe the gentleman was asking about the DJI Osmo Nano, and he wanted to know how I was using it more specifically. Well, what's dope about this camera is it can pretty much go anywhere, much like the MPC sample, and it can pretty much do anything that that camera can do, or that camera, kinda, not really. You know, I mean, look at this. This looks crazy, right? I mean, you can't compete with that. You can't compete with a full-frame camera, but you also can't just bust a full-frame camera out when you're on the street making content without looking over your back, making content. Like, oh, but this, see, this, people don't really see you. And there are a lot of attachments out there for the DJI Osmo Nano, but when it comes to that view, that perspective that I think the best perspective you can get is coming from here on this camera, right? But of course you can't just glue it to your head. It's all about the accessories with DJI, one of my favorite companies who have been banned from America. So if I don't even know if we will get the next version of the DJI Nano. I don't even know if that'll be available. But that's not what this video is about either, is it? Look at this piece of technology right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the DJI Osmo Nano hat clip. And it's the hat clip that I think is really the quintessential piece to this puzzle here. So notice if I put this on my hat, not any hat, but my Voyager Records hat, not to be confused with Voyager Records. What? So yeah, if I do this, it looks kind of stupid. Yeah, but whatever. If I'm making this content, it don't look stupid. If I'm posting this on my YouTube channel, it don't look stupid. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Who am I talking to? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you who should be making a YouTube channel. Now let's talk about this before we talk about that. This camera is very dope for this scenario because now I can take this anywhere, okay? And I can, and when I say this, I mean the MPC sample. I could be anywhere in the field recording content and I can get an incredible shot. And also, you don't need a microphone when you have this, ow, damn, I just hit my foot, my damn shit on this keyboard stand. You don't need a microphone when you have the DJI Osmo Nano attached to your hat. I completely lost my train of thought there. I'm still struggling off of that. That hurt. That really hurt. That actually hurt. But yes, DJI Osmo Nano does not need a microphone when it's on your hat, and I think the MPC sample is really dope. You know, I think the speaker on here is not that powerful. I have seen people making content online recently, and their speaker's already blown out. You do have to be very careful with this speaker on the MPC sample. If you know it is a very heavy low-end sound, don't push that main volume all the way down. Like, turn that thing. That's, be conservative with your speaker. Be an engineer. Hear distortion and know that if you blow this little guy, the rest of your content is going to sound terrible if you're just trying to use that, or even if you just want to use that in any given scenario. So do not sleep on the DJI Osmo Nano. It also has magnet capabilities, as I will demonstrate here. Boom. So now, once again, we got an alternative perspective of, everything going on from that level. But it's all about that direct perspective, I think, that makes this very fly. To be honest with you, this is a steal. You can get this on Amazon right now. I'll put a link in the bio, in the description. Grab this camera while you can. It's a very powerful camera, and you can do a lot with it, especially when it comes to creating this type of content, that first person content right on the MPC. That speaker is 100% picked up by this speaker. And I've noticed if I make, here's one for you iPhone users out there that might say, oh, I'm just messing up everywhere. We're still rolling. The iPhone, yes, is a great MPC sample tool when it comes to recording content, but if you want to go live on, let's say, YouTube, for whatever reason, the MPC sample is not picked up through the iPhone microphone. The iPhone microphone cancels out some sound. I wonder if I went live on YouTube, but I plugged the cord directly into the iPhone. We'll have to try that. We'll try that. Otherwise, trust me, DJI Osmo Nano, the best camera to use with the, I hit it again, the best camera to use on the MPC sample. And if I must add at the end of this video, let's turn this camera off. You also have a screen, a monitor that you can see whatever's happening. You can see it. You can see it right here. Horizon balance. So when I'm bobbing and weaving on my beat, I don't know who this guy is. When I'm doing all that stuff, it's balanced. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, do not sleep on this camera. I said it once, I said it twice, I don't need to say it again. The DJI Osmo Nano, ladies and gentlemen, grab this for your content. It's not overly priced. Yes, that Sony a7 IV, which is an old camera at this point, also on sale. That's a great camera too. And we can talk about this camera too, and I can show you how I make more detailed, vivid videos with, let's say, that 85mm. You can't beat the 85mm. You can't beat it, no matter what. But it's so bulky, it's so big, it's so in the way, it's so heavy. It's so it's expensive. It's expensive. So you don't want to just bust it out. This bad boy right here, man, I done dropped this thing so many times already. This is a $15 filter that I popped on top of it. It's a black mist filter or a diffusion filter. I like this dreamy look that you're looking at right now. Maybe you're not into it, but that's my creative direction that I like to use with my content. So I have one of those on here as well. So my DJI Nano, Osmo Nano, is filming that type of content with, even though it's a tutorial, my stuff still has a dreamy look. I just like that. And it's a $15 filter. Oh, also, one last note I will say about the DJI Osmo Nano. Do not forget about the ND filters if you're gonna be filming content outside. It's very important. We're gonna talk a lot more about technology and camera equipment that's used to create content for your MPC. We're gonna be talking about why you should be doing that, Voyager, because you're a musician in 2026. If you're watching this video right now, it's 2026. And if you're watching this video right now and you haven't started your own YouTube channel, you are sleeping. Please subscribe. Time's up. This video's over. Check out more music videos. Or if you want to talk about that MPC tutorial, watch that MPC tutorial right there. And you'll see exactly what we're talking about. Especially when it comes to that DJI Osmo Nano and that picture you can get. Thank you. Wake up! Start that channel today!